Today we begin checking on the queen and her box. This is our first use of the smoke device.
I hate when I squish them.
He is murdering some of them on accident. The noise has increased. Our ladies seem slightly more irritated than usual. First slat is checked. Any sign of the queen?
Not yet. A lot of activity on this outer cell frame.
That's quite unusual. Don't they gravitate towards the middle?
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm going to back up. They're getting quite angry.
Are they?
Yes. Thank goodness for zooms. There we are. Notice the feeder, how much it's dropped compared to yesterday putting in a full one. Hungry bees seem to be. My goodness.
I don't know if you can see it, but they're growing honeycomb on the center frame.
Going in for a closer look. Your reporter risking her life.
It appears as the queen, I don't see her. Oh, there she is.
Has she left her box?
I think that's her.
Whoop. I'm backing up. They're getting angry and coming after me now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you see the lady?
Definitely looks like she is freed.
Are you sure? Those are some very angry bees. So he has just checked the queen's box. The queen's box.
All the candy.
They ate the queen's box candy. All of it.
Seem a little agitated now.
Yeah, they're very agitated. I'm going to perhaps step outside of the garden. Using my trusty zoom. Sorry for the bumpy ride. But this journalist has to keep safe. We have to keep reporting from the front lines of the bees. As the median age human looks at the box, he's not trembling in fear. He seems comfortable among these buzzy little insects. It looks as though our task on the purple box is complete. Moving on to the blue. We have returned for the blue box. Once again, our fearless beekeeper ever so gently brushing them aside.
Gotta stop crushing bees.
Like I said, ever so gently. You must tell the folks at home what you find in the box.
What's that?
Tell the folks at home what we're looking at.
A lot of bees.
You heard it here first. In the box, there is apparently a lot of bees. As you can see, they are getting just as agitated as the other box. Our dear beekeeper refers to this activity as curious. I refer to it as angry as a badger. You see, he has the smoking device, yet he's...
Not as much comb as the purple box, but still, the center frames are definitely getting drawn out.
Healthy activity then. After the other day's attack, we weren't sure what we would find. What was that?
Huh?
What was the last thing you said?
Pardon me, ladies.
Oh, goodness. Goodness, look at all those bees. They're marvelous. He's checking the queen's box. Has her box been eaten?
Looks like her box has been eaten.
Hooray! Success for blue. As you can see, there is quite a lot of activity in the blue box.
Yeah, I don't know if you can...
See the terrible plate of bees you're looking at?
Looks like we already have some honey cells.
As he places the slat back in the box. Did you see the queen?
Not yet.
He has yet to see the queen. Perhaps she is like the groundhogs in these United States, hiding below, only showing herself when absolutely required by a crowd. And we're back. As you can see, it's a glorious day. The sun is out.
Alright, we'll put them away.
Did you not see the queen?
No, she's in there.
Success for blue and purple today. It appears both queens have had their boxes.
I'm amazed they're drawing out all the way to the outside.
They seem motivated. They also seem quite irritable. All this poking about in their home. As he scrapes the queen's box. And covers their home back up. To enjoy another day. Tune in next week to see if our noble hero eventually gets stung in this process. So far, bees 0, beekeeper 3.